Kakarating ko lang galing Philsai, hinatid ko si Cheche. And I am preparing na our ulam for lunch. Uwi kasi si ate. Sprinkle lang siya ng salt. Salt. Magic sarap. Hindi nawawala to yung magic sarap. Ito yung pampalasa ng food. Kahit anong bagay, pag nilagyan mo ng magic sarap, and then pat-pat lang ng konti. Buhay nanay yan. Lagyan ng toyo. Padami yata. After ng toyo, black pepper. Marinate ko lang siya. Haplusin mo with love. Yan, haplusin with love. Yan ang ulam namin. I-marinate ko lang siya. After that, lulutuin. Piprituin ko siya mamaya. Haplos with love. Ganyan.
Napakalimutin ko. Hindi pala ako naka-order ng gasol.
Walang gas? No problem. Air fryer. Oil. Inside the air fryer. Oil. And brush. Put the fish. And oil again. There you go. After 10 minutes, look at that. This bangus cooked in air fryer. Oh, beautiful.